evening, Tapilaran! We are the band! Kikia!
Sayo! Sayo! Kami naman sayo.
When the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, I won't be afraid. No, I won't be afraid. Just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. In the sky, God will look upon. She'll come moving for the last times. She'll come with sweet and sweet. I won't cry, I won't cry. No, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Oh, darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. When you in trouble, won't you stand by me? Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Okay, everybody, now again, allow me to introduce to you our band members. First, we have our bassist, Kuya Harda, our drummer, Kuya Kim, our rhythm, Kuya JL, our lead, Mr. Paul, and our pianist, Abigail. And I am your singer, Zanab Palma. Ako pala si Yuri Cadillac and Silent Jane. Okay, clap your hands, please. Please clap your hands. Sa'yo'y inaasahan. Nagkano po ng mga mundo. May minsan lang na nabubo. Dama-dama na ang puso ko. Di ba ba sa bata, sakit at lahat, hindi ko ipararanas sa'yo. Ibinubunya ka na iyong mata, sumisigaw ng pagsinta. Di ba matulang ang pagsuyok na kulang dahil umaasa? Hilagat kanluran, ikaw ang hantungan at bilang kanlungan mo. Masakit yun. So that was Magazine by Kikyang version. Now, and it is composed by us, Kikyang. And allow Yuri to introduce this composed song.
Ito ay para to sa mga may problemang mabibigat. At isa lang masasabi ko sa inyo, kapit lang at higit sa lahat, laban lang.
Ano ba ulit yun? Kapit lang, Tagbilaran! So, pwede kong sabay sa dami. Last song man, enjoy na natin ulit. You can raise your hands, wave it, use your flashlights. Let's just enjoy this. Ano na kaya kita daw ka flashlight? Sige pa! Itaas na! Matmawin na sa pagdilig. Raise your flashlight! Sige lang, sige lang! Letrang di masabi na mga letrang di masabi na ilulunod mga himig ng puso. Makikinig sa'yo. Umasa ka na, may kakapitan ka. Mundo'y dumindi, di bale na. Kalawak ay matunaw na. Kumapit ka. Wave your hands, please. Sulat ko'y ibibigay sa'yo. Babalik all enjoyed it. And again, from marketing men, we just want to say, tapit na!
Higit sa lahat, laban lang! Huwag magsubukay ha! Laban
Wala
lang
siya.
dito ang kapita!
Wala na fighter but na. So, come back again. Goodbye. And this is Kick Young.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Band Kikiam! Atong takpakan ang last performer for tonight.